What is the benefit of polished, anodized aluminum? Aluminum is the second most important metal after iron. It is prone to corrosion, which makes it look dull over time. Even though aluminum is rust-proof, it is prone to pre-rust when used as a carbon-based abrasive. This is where anodizing aluminum comes in handy. Further, to improve the durability and finish of anodized metal, polishing is a must. It smoothens the surface of a metal part. Also, polishing anodized aluminum looks more beautiful and is scratch-resistant too. Benefits of polished anodized aluminum. Durability. Anodized polished aluminum has an extremely long lifespan as compared to unpolished aluminum items. Color stability. High-quality exterior anodic polish or coating provides good stability to ultraviolet rays. It means the coating will not get chipped or peeled due to hot weather. Ease to maintain. The polished anodized aluminum surface is scratch-resistant. Also, the surface is too smooth, so you can easily clean it with mild soap and water. Aesthetics. Anodizing offers an attractive gloss and color alternatives to aluminum metal. Also, it minimizes the color variations and allows aluminum to maintain its metallic appearance. Since the anodizing is a reinforcement of a naturally occurring oxide process, it causes no harm to health. Also, it produces no harmful byproducts. What process does Sunrise Metal use for polishing anodized aluminum? If you're looking for the best anodized aluminum finish metal parts, then Sunrise Metal is here to help you. We have been in the metal coating industry for over 10 years. Our skilled and experienced engineers are providing the best quality anodized aluminum products. Moreover, we own high-end aluminum die casting and surface polishing equipment. Here is the process for polishing anodized aluminum that we follow. Step 1. Prepare aluminum for anodizing. First, we treat the metal part with glass bead blasting to remove all the incomplete oxide layers and other impurities. After this, we clean the parts and rinse them to wash away the residual abrasives. Now, we submerge the metal parts into some sodium hydroxide solution and sodium carbonate solution. Step 2. Complete the anodizing of aluminum. After finishing cleaning the metal part, we will submerge it inside an anodization chamber. Next, we rinse the parts once again after anodization completes. Last, we dip the anodized aluminum metal part inside a sealed chamber to coat the pores as properly. Step 3. Polishing anodized aluminum. First, we will smooth the anodized metal part with an electric sander. After this, we will put the anodized metal part in a chemical solution to clean the debris. Finally, we will apply the anodized metal polish with the help of a buffing machine. After completing the buffing, we will rub the metal part with a clean microfiber cloth to remove all impurities from the surface. Polishing is very important to ensure better quality and decorative look of the metal part. It is especially true when looking for ways to improve the finish of aluminum die-cast parts. The major industries, including automotive who deals in metal parts, will prefer a clear surface finish, which polishing gives. How long does the polished anodized aluminum last? When suppliers make polishing appropriately on high-quality anodized aluminum metal parts, then it can last for many years. This makes the polished metal parts ideal for commercial as well as monumental use. A premium quality anodized polish not only gives a shiny and clear look to your metal, but also makes it durable. Why choose professionals instead of DIY for polishing aluminum? From many people, you may have heard that polishing metal parts is easy to do at home, but it is not that easy. To get a quality polishing or finish on aluminum, you will need good knowledge and high-tech tools. In addition to this, you will also need to spend hours polishing an aluminum part. DIY polishing will cost you more than choosing professionals for the same. Following are the few reasons that show why selecting professionals like Sunrise Metal is best instead of DIY polishing aluminum. You have to figure out if you're working with aluminum alloy, aluminum magnesium, or maybe you may just be working on a more standard clear-coated aluminum. Good knowledge of metal polishing. Professionals have a vast knowledge of different types of aluminum polishing, chemistry, electricity, and temperature variance. Plus, their experience makes them the best fit for metal polishing. On another side, you may not have good knowledge, which can make DIY metal polishing a disaster. High-tech machines. For polishing anodized aluminum, one will need the latest techniques and machines, which cost you more, but one operates the latest tools as well as machines to perform the best metal polishing in less time. Quality control protocols. Professionals like Sunrise Metal focus on every single detail of polishing and go the extra mile to deliver precision as well as accuracy. They follow strict quality control protocols. Professionals have premium test labs to check the quality of the finished metal part. Can polished materials be used for fabrication without excess damage? Yes, we can apply polished material, including polished anodized aluminum, for fabrication. The damage will be very less or minimal when doing fabrication with advanced machines or tools. At Sunrise Metal, we use the latest techniques that fabricate the polished material with accuracy and no damage.